What you mean you don't know Panna? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dope Ass Panna, and today my fiance is gonna rate my transformation.
I'm gonna rate the transformation. It's about to be fantastic. Boy, if you don't get...
I'm gonna do something that he's never done before, what?
What?
I'm gonna do something that he's never seen before. I'm literally about to turn into, like, I can't even tell you because...
I need to see this. I need to see what you're gonna turn into.
Yeah, you do. So, guys, today I'm gonna be doing a hair and makeup transformation. When I'm done, I'm gonna let my fiance judge. What would you rank me right now on a scale from 1 to 10?
And I can't pick 7?
You're not Kevin James.
Alright, on a scale from 1 to 10, you are a 9.
Right now?
Without makeup, and a 10 with makeup.
You hella love me. You trying to get some points. My fiance is gonna rate my hair and makeup transformation, guys. I'm gonna do something that he has never seen me do before. I'm really switching it up. Come here, Cash Money. Come here, Cash Money. Cash Money, mommy, baby. Cash Money. If y'all didn't know, this is my Jack Chihuahua. My Jack Chihuahua. Should I just get into this transformation?
Yeah, let's get into it.
Don't do that again.
That's how you do it.
No, he's like, let's get into this transformation.
And then you put your hand
No, you're supposed to say, now let's get right into this transformation. All right, y'all, so I know y'all are like, Hannah, how are you gonna switch it up? You always do the same makeup. Stop right there, okay? Today, guys, I'm going for Little Mermaid vibes. I'm trying to look like Ariel on the beach, laid out. Cynosure Hair sent me a unit, a body wave unit. Wait, y'all not ready for this, okay? And y'all know, if y'all know me, y'all know I don't do color, but baby, what about it? Y'all, I'm super excited to try this body wave wig. Yeah, I'm gonna put this unit on, y'all. I have literally never done burgundy. I've never done any color outside of purple and blonde. So I'm super excited to try this on, just see how it turns out. Like, can y'all picture me in this? Wait till I get my makeup on. All right, y'all, so boom, bald cap is on, period. I'm gonna go ahead and put the unit on now. I noticed that, like, with the unit, they have a burgundy lace that was, like, sold onto the lace. I don't know if you guys could see it right there, kind of sticking up. So with the hairline, I'm not really sure what's gonna happen because I don't know if you guys can see it, but all right here is like stitching, which is like really weird. I've never seen that before. This is definitely gonna need some customization done to it. I think I'm just gonna use some lace tint. I'm gonna try to create a middle part because right now there's not really a part on it. They do have a couple little baby hairs here, but we just gonna see how this is gonna work. Okay, so I actually couldn't find any lace tint, so I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. I use Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace that way. Y'all, ever since I found out about these other methods of tinting, like, I just have no interest in bleaching knots anymore. I don't know why. I'm also not hella into units like that for me to even be doing all of that. So I've been kind of just doing it this way. All right, y'all, it's time to put this bad boy on. This is literally gonna be the star of my look. This is actually a color spatula. It's not really meant for this, but this unit has to turn out right, y'all. This is the star of my transformation. Otherwise, I'm just gonna look like myself with makeup on. But he ain't never seen me in no burgundy hair, so he finna be like, oh, baby. Okay, yeah, this ain't working. We're gonna have to go right in with the dots. I did pretty good with this cap, though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, now we're gonna use it. Yeah, there we go, Panna. There we go, Panna. I'm gonna put a couple of layers of this just because I want this wig to stay on through the next couple days. Whew, here we go. Okay, it's really this hairline for me. Like, what? All right, we're gonna see if we can finesse it. I typically don't do any type of units, honestly, but I'm gonna see if I can finesse this. Cause something needs to be done at this point. Okay, but the color is bomb though. I could get with this color. They gave me a couple little baby hairs in the front to work with. It's just really this for me. And it's like, I can't really move it because y'all see that stitching. I'm just gonna have to try to finesse this in the best way possible. Dre don't know nothing about no wigs, so he probably not even gonna be able to tell. Open.
Nah.
Let me try to cut this lace. That's one strong ass hairline. Y'all, this wig was literally built for Superwoman. Like, what? I feel like I could probably finesse this. Let me just put on some makeup and like think about it for a second. I definitely have to do a side part. They left me a little bit of baby hairs right here, so we gonna just do something with that. I don't know what it, maybe, okay, actually the more I look at it, maybe it's not that, maybe. Let me do my makeup. All right, y'all, so this is literally the best that I could finesse this wig. I had to do a middle part because I just literally like, I actually decided I'm gonna throw a hat on because, what? I'm gonna go ahead and curl this. I tried to curl it a couple times, but they didn't really hold as well as I wanted to. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl it again when my hat is on. And then I'm just gonna have it look really big, but baby, this is the look. Hopefully he doesn't ask me to take my hat off, okay? Cause can't do that, babe. But yeah, let's get into painting with the red. All right, well, let me do that off camera and then we'll see what he says. Okay, guys, so I'm getting ready to reveal my new look to my boo. Let me scoot y'all back.
Tell me when I can open my eyes.
I'm about to tell you, just be patient because this is a brand new bitch that you about to see. Ready? 1.
Circle.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, that's hard. I'm messing with the color. It's not bad. I thought it was gonna be bad at first, but
You didn't even know what it was gonna be, so.
I mean, when I saw it come out the box, I knew it was gonna be something.
We're not gonna get into that. It's cute.
Let me see it with the hat off. Let me see it. Let me see.
You're not gonna say nothing about my nails?
I don't care about that. I want to see it with the hat on. Let me see the installation.
Reclose your eyes.
Let me see. No, let me see the installation.
Reclose your eyes.
I want to see this installation.
Wait,
Hell
no.
no.
Wait.
Hell no.
No. Let me. No.
No. What is that? No, go back.
No.
You didn't even know.
No. This is it. This is the finished look.
I mess with it. I mess with the color on you. Like, I like how it complements your skin tone.
Does it? Keep going.
But, and this is a big but.
More compliments before the butt, please.
I give you more compliments. The color is nice. I like.
You said that.
Okay.
Nails. My makeup.
Nails.
Lashes.
Oh yeah. Actually, you're not even a makeup artist. So you killed your makeup.
Killed.
I like the lip stuff.
Yes, lips.
Whatever that lip sheen. I like all
lip
that.
sheen.
The nails is a little bit too much for me, but you know.
I can scratch your back with these.
I don't think I want my back scratched though. What is that? What is it?
Pass me my bandana. Where's my bandana?
What's that?
It need the wig is cute, but it needs accessories. Okay, it needs accessories.
It needs some accessories.
So we gonna put these accessories on. Come on,
bro. I can't.
Wow.
Ow! Look at this. You can't even maneuver with them things on. Why you got them on?
Put the scarf on me. That's out.
Get out of here, dude. He over here trying to eat the scarf. You see it?
Cash.
You see him on the camera, bro.
I'm in the gang or something. They're right there. Yep. Let me tuck that in. There we go. You don't need to touch the top half.
I do.
Just tie the bottom and tie it lower, babe.
Okay, bro. Barky.
Tighter, please.
I'm about to suffocate.
I mean, because it's
suffocate.
Is that it?
I corrected it.
That's not it. You need to tie it tighter and put it in a knot.
It ain't gonna go
Now
but
put it
so
in
far.
another
You
knot.
about to stretch it out. What are you talking about?
Put it in another knot, please. Now we cute again.
I didn't put it in another knot.
So yes, guys, all the details about this unit is gonna be in the comment section down below.
That actually is fire. I'm not gonna lie. You look fire like that.
With the bandana?
Yeah, with the bandana. You should do that.
You don't
But
like
this version, I'm rocking with it. You looking like a 10. Plus 10.
What do you rate
A
me?
10 plus
What do you
10.
rate me?
And I can't use 7?
What do you rate me?
I rate you a 10. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh my
You
God.
looking like a whole...
Yeah, so like I said, all the details for this unit will be in the comment section down below.
Come on, bro.
Make sure you guys check that out. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys check out my video where I do somebody's hair with these nails. Somebody beware.
Yeah, we about to get up out of here. How you like this style? Do you like the look? Make sure you rate it in the comment section. Like she said, let's go. Ooh, don't do that one. Peace.
I can't press the stop button with these nails. You don't have to do it.
I got it.
What you mean you don't know Panna? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?